Today, I will demonstrate how you can save both money and the environment simultaneously by creating an eco-friendly detergent using ivy leaves. There are numerous methods to make an eco-friendly detergent, but this one is particularly simple due to the abundance of ivy, which grows almost everywhere. Since ivy is an invasive species, utilizing it helps benefit the environment. I have ivy growing in my garden, and I frequently need to trim it as it spreads in height, length, and width. If you don't have a garden, don't worry. Ivy can be found in many locations. While there are various types of ivy, you can also use those with smaller leaves. The reason ivy leaves are effective as detergent is that they naturally contain saponins. The first method I tried wasn't very effective in producing soap, but I gave it a shot twice and it worked well for washing my clothes, leaving them smelling nice due to the oil I added. For smaller bottles, 5 drops of oil should suffice. Simply chop the leaves and pour boiling water over them. After an hour, drain the mixture and add your preferred oil for fragrance and softness. The second method I found to be more effective as it produced a lot more bubbles. First, you will need some leaves to collect, and then you chop them off. And then you boil it for 15 minutes and you let it sit for at least an hour until it cools off, but preferably you should let it sit as long as possible. Now, I will show you how it looks when you mix it. As you can see, the layer of the bubbles is much thicker and it creates a significant layer of foam. But if you have particularly dirty laundry, consider adding baking soda or simple eco-friendly hand washing soap, and that will do it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I hope you will give this recipe a try. Stay tuned for the next one. Take care.